try these on the thresholdy bit of the French doors. As you can see, they're flash wipes in clementine and clove fragrance. They smell lovely. I got them in B&M. Look, this is disgusting. And it doesn't matter. I clean it regularly and it fills up with stuff from outside. Anyway, I'll show you afterwards.
Right, you may remember that Lesleyanne Sparkle said that the arm fell off of our snowman. I managed to fix it with some super fixative, I forget what it's called, but it seems to have done the job. Very solid. I can go and put it back in place now. Bye.
How much better does that look? Yay, all done. They work really well. Windows are a bit dirty, all the glass on the door, but obviously I've got the dogs going in and out, so that's a never ending. Look, there you go. There you go. That's what happens. Go on then, go out. Go on then, let you go. I don't know if I showed you this, guys, the camper van. How cute is this? I've got this in Home Bargains. Chris has always wanted a camper van, haven't you, darling? Babe, huh? You've always wanted a camper van.
Yeah.
So I bought him this one.
Not quite the same.
But it's got an added bonus because it's actually got a Christmas tree on it as well.
Yeah,
so. So I've had a bit of a wipe round with those flash wipes, and I've wiped down, I don't know if you can see the wall properly, but I've wiped down the wall. Let me move this way. Probably still can't see it, but I've wiped down this wall and there are some little marks on it. I'm scrubbing away thinking, I don't know, maybe they're little dirt marks from the dogs. They're not. I think it's where the walls have been knocked by the dogs, and so they just need a bit of a tidy up, a touch up. Table's looking a bit clearer today, look. Got Christmas cards over there, and this year's diaries are almost coming to an end now. And also got our new planners for 2020, which we've started to transfer information into. So that's sort of what we've been doing today. We are going to have coffee. Oh, actually, I don't know if I showed you these little guys. I made these last year, I think it was. I made several of them. And we had them going up the stairs in the hallway. But this year I've decided just to get literally 2 of them out and pop them in the window. So there's that one there. And there's just this one over here. Oh, excuse me, Mr. Alf. How come you've got... Did you notice what the Alf's done?
I couldn't find him.
Could you not?
No.
He's a little pickle, isn't he?
He's a cheeky little elf.
Or was he trying to, like, pinch the bulb, do you think?
He saw the light.
He saw the light, that's it. He saw the light. Anyway, we're going to have a coffee, aren't we?
Yep.
So we are having, you're having, Chris having an ordinary one. I'm having a caramel.
Not an ordinary one, it's an Americano.
Oh, it's an Americano. I'm having, I got caramel latte. Caramel latte. Oh, and the other thing we've done since the last time I showed you is we put the wreath on the fridge door. A bit random, I know, but we like it there because it can be seen wherever you are in the sort of kitchen dining room.
Contents of the fridge are bad for your health.
Yeah, it's a warning, keep out. And the countdown, is that meant to be 21 days? It's like 20 skeweth one. 20 skeweth one day. For our lunch today, we've decided to have cheese and biscuits. Get your little snouty out. Cheese and biscuits. We've got some cheese that we needed to finish in the fridge. I've got some brie and some blue grapes and a quinoa of butter. So that's what we're going to enjoy, and we're going to eat it with something I'm so interested in at the moment. And I don't know if any of you have been watching it, the whole Prince Andrew thing on Panorama, the Prince and the Epstein scandal. So we're just going to watch that one now.
Spider-Man, 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 Spider-Man.
A lolly.
Wow,
Fantastic.
Leonard.
Big cuddle.
Good boy.
I like cuddles.
Good boy.
You make sure you give Mummy a big cuddle.
Have a cuddle.
Thank you.
Bye
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Happy Christmas.
Happy
Bye.
Christmas.
Bye,
Say
Spider-Man.
bye. Look. That's cute, isn't it?